Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, diesel gray black heavy duty vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, spray and bed liner, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EBSWs, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift control, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, and quick order package 2HA Tradesman included, engine 6.7L.